Are you an adventure enthusiast eager to capture your thrilling escapades on film? Whether you're surfing massive waves, hiking rugged mountains, or cycling through stunning landscapes, the right action camera can make all the difference. With advancements in technology, today's action cameras not only offer impressive image quality and durability, but also come packed with features that cater to every adventurer's needs. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best action cameras available in the market, highlighting their unique features, strengths, and what makes them perfect companions for your next adventure. Let's delve into the world of action-packed photography. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. AKASO Brave 7 LE, our pick for best budget action camera. If you're in the market for a reliable, budget-friendly action camera to capture your adventures, the AKASO Brave 7 LE is an excellent option. While it may not be the latest model, that title goes to the Brave 8. Its blend of essential features and affordability makes it a smart choice for anyone looking to document their travels without breaking the bank. Designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor activity, this camera is IPX7 rated and comes with a waterproof case, allowing you to dive up to 131 feet. You can confidently take it on your snorkeling trips or days at the beach, knowing it's protected against water and impact. When it comes to capturing your experiences, the Brave 7 LE delivers with its ability to record in 4K at 30 frames per second or 720 pixel at 120 frames per second for those epic slow-motion shots. Its 6-axis electronic stabilization helps ensure smooth footage, although there is a slight crop to keep in mind. For photos, you can shoot stunning 20-megapixel images to preserve your memories. Convenience is key, and with front and rear screens, framing your shots is a breeze. Plus, the camera includes 2 batteries, a remote, and various mounting kits, so you can start shooting right away. It also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, making it simple to transfer your stunning photos and videos. Capture your journey effortlessly with the Brave 7 LE. Number 4. Insta360 X3, our pick for best action camera for 360-degree video. If you're seeking a truly immersive experience for your action adventures, the Insta360 X3 is the camera for you. Capable of recording stunning 360-degree video at an impressive 5.7K resolution and 30 frames per second. It ensures that every moment is captured in exceptional detail. With the Insta360 mobile or desktop apps, you can easily edit your footage and reframe your shots, allowing you to highlight the most exciting parts of your journey or showcase the full immersive view. The X3's versatility is impressive. You can switch between using a single lens for traditional shots or 2 lenses for 360-degree captures. Whether you're filming yourself or documenting the stunning scenery around you, this camera has you covered. It's equipped with various shooting modes, including an 8K, 360-degree time-lapse, and 4K slow motion, so you can creatively express your adventures like never before. Designed for durability, the X3 is waterproof up to 33 feet without requiring any additional housing, making it perfect for water activities. The 6-axis gyroscope and Insta360's flow state stabilization ensure smooth footage, even during high-energy pursuits like mountain biking. Plus, the horizon lock mode keeps your shots level, even as you move and rotate, so you can focus on what truly matters, capturing your adventures in stunning clarity. With the Insta360 X3 in your hands, you're ready to document every thrilling moment with ease and precision. Number 3. OM SYSTEM OLYMPUS TG-6, our pick for best waterproof action camera. If you're seeking a camera that can keep up with your adventurous spirit, the Olympus Tough TG-6 is designed exactly for that. Built to endure the harshest of environments, it is waterproof up to 15 meters, freeze-proof to -10 degrees Celsius, crush-proof against 100 kg of weight, and shock-proof from drops as high as 2.1 meters. This rugged compact camera fits snugly in your pocket while feeling solid in your hand, making it an ideal companion for all your outdoor escapades. Equipped with a 25 to 100mm equivalent lens, the TG-6 offers impressive zoom versatility without protruding from the body, allowing you to snap stunning photos and videos on the go. It captures raw stills and records 4K footage at 30 frames per second, providing vibrant colors and detail. However, be mindful that in bright conditions, overexposure can occur, though sensor shift stabilization helps in minimizing unwanted vibrations. For those action-packed moments, the TG-6 can record 1080 pixel video at an impressive 120 frames per second, perfect for capturing fast-paced activities, albeit for 20 seconds at a time. While the newer Tough TG7 is available, it comes with a higher price tag and offers only slight improvements. Therefore, you'll find that the TG6 presents excellent value for most outdoor enthusiasts like yourself, combining performance, reliability, and portability in one tough package. Number 2, DJI Osmo Action 4, our pick for best action camera for vlogging. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is designed for adventurers like you, ready to capture every breathtaking moment. This robust action camera is waterproof up to 59 feet without housing, making it perfect for your underwater explorations. If you're diving deeper, a special case allows you to go down to an incredible 210 feet, ensuring your underwater footage remains crystal clear. For those frigid outdoor excursions, the Osmo Action 4 operates in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can document your thrilling ski trips without worry. The innovative magnetic quick-release plate makes mounting the camera a breeze, and with its vertical shooting capability, you can create social media-ready videos without the hassle of cropping. If you're a vlogger, the ability to live stream in multiple resolutions is a game changer, allowing you to connect with your audience in real time. With stunning image-stabilized 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, you're assured smooth and professional quality recordings. The rock-steady stabilization technology perfectly smooths out your action shots, while the horizon steady mode keeps your footage level, even during twists and turns. While the photo resolution is limited to 10 megapixels, this action camera excels in video, enabling long takes of up to 2.6 hours at 4K 60 pixel. Embrace epic adventures with the DJI Osmo Action 4, and let it help you tell your story with clarity and style. Number 1, GoPro Hero 12 Black, our pick for best action camera overall. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is a standout action camera that combines durability with an impressive array of features perfect for documenting your adventures. Thanks to its large sensor, you can effortlessly crop your videos to a vertical orientation without sacrificing the essence of your scene, making it easy to share your experiences on social media. The ability to switch between digital lenses enhances your perspective options, ensuring you capture every moment just the way you envision it. Offering stunning 5.3K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, the Hero 12 lets you achieve high-quality HDR recording for breathtaking visuals. If you want to create dramatic slow-motion footage, you can record at 240 frames per second in 2.7K. With 27 megapixel photo capabilities and advanced time-lapse and night modes, including star trails and light painting, your creative possibilities are limitless. A notable upgrade is the Bluetooth audio connectivity, allowing you to connect a wireless microphone for improved sound quality or wireless headphones to monitor audio levels in noisy environments. Enhanced battery life means you can now capture continuous 5.3K video for up to 70 minutes. Ideal for those longer adventures. With Hypersmooth 6 stabilization, you can expect incredibly smooth footage, even during the most rugged activities. The Auto Boost feature minimizes cropping while maintaining your desired framing. Waterproof up to 33 feet and designed for cold weather performance, the Hero 12 is your perfect companion for winter sports and beyond. Get ready to elevate your storytelling with this powerful tool. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which action camera you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.